If your dishes are coming out of the dishwasher looking streaky or with dried bits or blobs on them, you may have a dirty dishwasher.
Well, it doesn't really make sense that something designed to clean needs to be cleaned itself. The truth is your dishwasher should be cleaned often. Anytime you're dealing with food, you've got the potential for mold, mildew, rot, and grease. That needs to be taken care of on the regular.
Cleaning your dishwasher is more complicated than cleaning your washer or dryer only because it has a few more nooks and crannies, and you might have trouble dealing with some of the parts depending on your dishwasher.
If your dishes just seem a little less than sparkling clean, you might not have a big problem. The first thing to check, honestly, is the rinse aid.
An empty rinse aid tank is the most common reason your dishes will come out looking streaky or lackluster. And actually, if you use water softener in your house too, check that that tank is also full.
Well, some dishwashers, like my LG version here, will actually send me push notifications to an app to let me know when the rinse aid is empty. Many dishwashers are not yet that smart. The next thing to do is to run a simple light cleaning cycle first and see if that helps. You need to do this when the dishwasher is completely empty.
You can find several types of dishwasher cleaning tablets from places like Amazon under brand names like Fresh, Finish, Active, True Fresh, and a lot more. These tabs make it easy to run a quick, simple cleaning wash.
If you'd rather not spend money on cleaning tablets, you can create a simple cleaning solution from items you probably already have in your home.
You can place a cup of vinegar into a bowl or a cup and put it in your dishwasher, then run a simple cycle with nothing else inside.
It's also always good to let things air dry in between. You can repeat this process 3 or 4 times a year when the dishwasher isn't smelling as fresh as you might like. If your dishwasher is still not cutting it, you may need to do some deeper cleaning. A clean microfiber cloth, an old toothbrush, and a small sharp object like a safety pin or a toothpick is going to come in handy here.
Start by removing any trays that you can and put these in a sink or even a clean bathtub with hot water and vinegar and let them soak. While those sit, have a look at your filter. Some models have filters that are really easy to remove, so follow your manufacturer's instructions.
If you don't have your manual, as so few of us do not, you can look online to find out how to remove your filter by looking for your model number and make, which is likely printed on the inside of the door. Now be warned that some filters are a bit trickier and do involve a screwdriver, so if you're not comfortable removing the filter, that's okay. You can probably skip this step. Now if you remove your filter, place it in the sink with the rest of your dishwasher trays.
Using your microfiber cloth and some vinegar, wipe down the walls and all the nooks and crannies, and don't forget the spray heads. Now make sure to take care when handling those spray arms, since you'll want to avoid pulling them out of alignment or breaking them accidentally. Use your safety pin, toothpick, or skewer if you notice any of the spray head nozzles might have food particles lodged in them. This is going to help lessen the load on the other nozzles to keep your dishwasher running more efficiently. Use the toothbrush to get any areas you can't get your cloth in. Give everything a really good scrub, and don't forget the gaskets along the top and sides of the dishwasher and any other hard to see spots. Remember the inside of the door and the outside of the door while you're at it.
You want to take a really good look at the filter. While some newer dishwashers are better able to filter and grind bits of food that do find their way through, some older models are really not, meaning that once you remove that outer filter basket, you may need to get down into the filter tray and really clean out any grunge you might find there. Now in my newer dishwasher here, this is less of a problem, but in my old dishwasher, it was a multi-step disassembly process to get at all of the junk. And of course, if you're not comfortable pulling appliances apart, a repair person or a technician can probably help you with this also. Now, when you're done, you can take this opportunity to run another cleaning cycle with vinegar or a cleaning tablet. That is all it takes to help keep your dishwasher cleaning at the top of its game. If you're feeling a little like Marie Kondo, you can check out my other tips on how to clean your washer and dryer right now.